Hi, this is Thomas from Danican. Today, I would like to introduce you to our Danican Waves program. Danican Waves is our own brand, but can also be used as private label. Danican Waves include 4 different mattresses, 2 hybrid and 2 all-foam mattresses. Hybrid mattresses are mattresses that are made of different kinds of materials, for instance a blend of foam and coils. Our first hybrid mattress is called the Tinus Hybrid mattress. This mattress has a base made of a 7 series wrapped coil system. This provides good support while still contouring to fit the sleeper's body. The mattress also has a layer of EcoFlex high density foam, which adds an extra layer of support. The cooling gel memory foam top layer is made as a ventilated open cell design, which helps muscles to relax and rejuvenate. Lastly, this mattress has a breathable stretch knit fabric which maintains a comfortable sleeping environment. Our second hybrid mattress is the Tinus Resort Hybrid mattress. It has the same 7 series wrapped coil layer, EcoFlex HD foam and cooling gel memory foam. However, it is covered in a luxury airflow quilting which regulates temperatures when you sleep. Next we have our all-foam mattress, which comes in 2 sizes, an 8-inch and a 10-inch. These mattresses are supported by an orthopedic foam base. Next they have a layer of EcoFlex HD foam, which provides extra support, a cooling gel memory foam layer for comfort, and lastly a breathable stretch knit fabric with a luxury stretch design. All our mattresses can also be made with a cooling textile that is cool to the touch, does not warm up easily, and disperses heat well. This feature is especially appreciated by customers as they feel the effect right away, and since sleeping hot is a common problem. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out more videos, click the icon right up here. If you'd like to contact us, our email is info@danican.com. For more information are linked down below. Sweet dreams.